How to check in effectively with your team. So what you want to do is introduce asynchronous simplified check-ins. Ask a question like, how are you doing? But come up with a series of answers, just very simple answers. We like 6 or 7 fixed responses. What we like to use is saying, hey, I'm all good, or I'm inspired, I'm on a roll. I'm pressured, but managing, or I can use a team meeting. So you want to create these questions, find the ones that are right for you. Send this in a chat, in a text, in an email, look for a response and say, don't embellish. I don't need a big story. Tell me, how are you doing? Take those results and track them. You can do it in Excel. You can do it in any tool that you like. There's plenty of tools out there that'll help you manage this, but track it every time you do this check-in and see how each person is doing. What was their response? What you're going to find is the first 6 or 7 times you do this, everyone's going to tell you, I'm all good, because they all want to make their manager happy. Once you build some trust, you're going to start to get some different answers. You'll start to see people saying, I'm pressured, but managing. Not entirely negative, or people saying, I'm feeling disconnected. Now it's an opportunity to interject and have an early identification of the problem and find a solution. You want to do this check-in once a week. Don't do it too often. Otherwise, people are going to start to think, hey, this person's always checking in on me. They don't trust me. Once a week is a good cadence. You can even do it once every other week. But certainly put it in a place where you can prep for your one-on-ones, which are probably weekly or every other week anyway. Once you start getting the responses that are not on I'm all good, you're going to start to see real progress and real trust being built.